Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about home equity explained in simple terms. Home equity simply means the part of your home that you truly own. Even though you may live in the house, the bank still has a claim on the part connected to your mortgage. So, your home equity is the difference between your home's current market value and the amount you still owe on your mortgage. For example, if your home is worth $500,000 and you still owe $320,000 on your mortgage, your home equity is $180,000. In simple words, it is the value you have built inside your home after subtracting your remaining loan balance. First, you buy a home using a mortgage. In the infographic example, a person buys a home for $400,000 and the starting loan balance is $360,000. At this stage, the buyer owns some equity, but a large part of the home is still financed by the lender. Next, as you make mortgage payments, your loan balance slowly goes down. Every payment helps reduce the amount you owe, especially over time. In the example, the loan balance drops from $360,000 to $340,000. Because the debt is lower, your ownership portion becomes bigger. After that, your home value may increase. If the property market rises, your home may become worth more than what you originally paid. For example, a home bought for $400,000 may later be worth $450,000. When your home value rises while your loan balance goes down, your equity can grow faster. Then, your equity grows because of two main movements happening together. The first movement is that the market value of your home may increase. The second movement is that your mortgage balance decreases as you continue making payments. So, if your home is worth $450,000 and your loan balance is $340,000, your equity becomes $110,000. As you keep paying your loan, you build even more equity. This is one reason many people see homeownership as a long-term financial asset. Over time, regular payments, rising property value, and smart improvements can all help increase the ownership value you have in your home. In addition, several factors can affect your home equity. Home value is one major factor, because when property prices rise, your equity usually increases. Loan payments also matter, because the more you pay down your mortgage, the more equity you build. Home improvements can also help if renovations increase the value of the property. However, market conditions can also affect equity, because local real estate prices can move up or down. Now, once you build equity, you may be able to use it when needed. Some homeowners use a home equity loan, which allows them to borrow a lump sum with a fixed rate. Others use a home equity line of credit, also called a HELOC, which works more like a credit line that can be used when needed. Some people use equity for home improvements, education costs, debt consolidation, or other major expenses. However, it is very important to use home equity carefully. Even though equity can give you financial flexibility, your home is still connected to the loan. Borrowing against your home means you are using your property as security. So, if payments are not managed properly, it can create serious financial risk. Therefore, the key lesson is that home equity is not free money. It is the value you have built in your home through payments, property growth, and responsible ownership. Strong equity can give you more options, but it should be used wisely and only when necessary. Finally, remember the simple formula. Current market value of your home minus the amount you still owe on your mortgage equals your home equity. The higher your home value and the lower your loan balance, the more equity you may have. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial, mortgage, legal, or real estate advice. Always speak with a qualified professional before borrowing against your home or making major financial decisions. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.